Welcome to Siberia, or more truthfully, a miniature set here at a disused motorcar factory, Watford, in North London. The former factory provides 1.25 million square feet of movie-making space, and every inch of it will be used for this most ambitious production to date of the 007 series. In this film, hardline communism gives way to a new European mafia, spreading its evil around the world. But 007 sorts it all out, and 007 comes from Navan in County Meath. Pierce Brosnan, the new James Bond.
You know, one's an actor. You're kind of used to it. You're used to first nights. You're used to going out there, and it's part of being an actor.
This is the most secret workshop in the world, where James Bond has his gadgets and weapons invented by long-suffering Q.
The gadgets, as always, are very good.
The film also stars Sean Bean, last seen in the field. Robbie Coltrane plays the role of KGB controller turned Russian arms dealer.
RTE now.
Aye.
Aye.
And the romance in Bond's life is provided by Izabella Scorupco.
I think every Bond has something really good. That's why they're getting their parts. I think Pierce is going to be a great Bond.